Have you ever wondered about the precise beginnings of a health challenge, especially when it concerns a vital organ like your stomach? It is an amazing organ, constantly working to digest your food and absorb nutrients, but sometimes things can go wrong. Understanding exactly where and how a condition like cancer might begin can truly empower you with knowledge. The direct answer is that stomach cancer typically, but not always, begins in the inner lining of the stomach. The vast majority of stomach cancers, known as adenocarcinomas, originate in the glandular cells found in this innermost layer. This is an important distinction because while it is the most common starting point, it is not the only one. This emphasis on the lining, medically called the mucosa, is because these glandular cells are responsible for producing digestive juices and mucus. They are constantly dividing and regenerating, making them more susceptible to genetic mutations that can lead to cancer. These mutations can accumulate over time due to factors like chronic inflammation or Helicobacter pylori infection. So, when doctors talk about stomach cancer, they are usually referring to this common type. However, not all stomach cancers follow this path. There are less common types that arise from different cell lines and deeper tissues within the stomach wall. For instance, lymphomas can start in the immune cells within the stomach's lymphatic tissue. Gastrointestinal stromal tumors, often referred to as GISTs, develop from specialized nerve cells called interstitial cells of Cajal, found in the muscular layers. Additionally, neuroendocrine tumors can originate from hormone-producing cells. Knowing this distinction helps medical professionals determine the specific type of cancer, which guides diagnosis and treatment strategies. It is also fascinating to note that the earliest stage of adenocarcinoma is sometimes called gastric dysplasia or carcinoma in situ, which means the abnormal cells are still confined to the very top layer of the mucosa. This early detection is incredibly valuable. When cancer remains localized to the lining, the chances of successful treatment are significantly higher, often involving less invasive procedures. This highlights why early screening and understanding your body is so crucial. Ultimately, recognizing that stomach cancer predominantly begins in the lining's glandular cells, while acknowledging rarer origins, means you have a more complete picture of this complex disease. This knowledge empowers you to understand the importance of early detection and the diverse approaches to treatment that depend on the specific cellular origin. Being informed is a great step toward proactively managing your health.